Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Let's prepare some authentic Ghanaian plantain fufu without pounding. So I have my basic ingredients, my neat fufu, that's the fufu flour, and my plantain. 5 fingers of plantain I have chopped and boiled. So these are just the ingredients I need. You can use any fufu flour of your choice. So I start by blending my plantains with some water, like I have here, to a very smooth consistency. Yes, without lumps, because that's what I'll be using to mix my flour. Just look at that. My plantain is very smooth and very light as well. So I transfer it into my pot and then I stir it to recheck if there is any lump, and you can see there are no lumps in it. So now I'm ready to add my fufu flour. Yes, so this is my fufu flour, the plantain type. This is 700 grams, but I will be using 500 grams. So 5 fingers of plantain to 500 grams of fufu flour. So I pour it into the pot. Then I stir so they incorporate each other. Yeah, so you stir without adding water to it. So after mixing them together, I realized it's too light for my liking. So I'll add a little more flour to it. Yeah, but sometimes it depends on how soft or how tender or how hard you like your fufu. But always remember 1 plantain to 100 grams. So you see, straight to the fire, and then I'm turning it. I'm kneading, just a make fufu. Yes. So you knead, so it doesn't become lumpy. Yeah, you turn and turn. So when it's too hard for you, you just add a little water and then allow it to boil, and then you start kneading again, and that's that. So you see, our plantain fufu is doing very well. Body fufu, just look at that. Very smooth, soft and tender. Just look at that. No stress. No usage of mortar or pestle. Just look at that. No sweat. No shouting, hey, come and pound my fufu for me, oh. And the guys will be running away. Just look at that. Friends and family, if you want to enjoy fufu and you don't have anyone to pound for you, don't worry. Just follow this simple procedure and you will enjoy your fufu. So just like this, I'm dressing it up with my asanka and my tapuli. Yes. Just look at that. Fufu na ya kono say wash. So I am pairing mine with some goat meat pepper soup. So I'm lying. Yeah, so please, you are invited. Come and join me. Let's enjoy some lunch. We all know weekends are for fufu. Yeah, so please try your hands on it and send me a comment. I love you guys. God bless you. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining us. Keep sharing this video and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.